What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. iOS 18.5 Beta 3 just finished installing on our 16 Pro Max, and the file size came in a little under 1 gig, which is about on par for Beta 3s as they have historically been. Before we jump into it, I just have to ask you guys, and comment down below and let me know, have you guys been bombarded with ads for Apple products recently? I have received a number of Apple Vision Pro ads talking about trying to promote Apple TV or whether it's Apple Care. I have been getting plagued with spammy type ads for Apple products recently, and I'm not the biggest fan of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this, but I just did want to bring that up before we jump into it. So jumping into settings, general, and about, 18.5 Beta 3 has a new build number of 22F5053J. So the J signifies, if you're new to betas, that we are still a ways away from the actual RC or release candidate build, and that we probably now have at least 2 more betas and an RC still to go. So jumping right into what a potential release schedule could be for that, today is obviously the 21st of April. We will be getting beta 4 hopefully on the 28th, and then possibly on the 5th a 5th beta or the RC. Since this is a J build, it's not uncommon for Apple to jump forward several alphanumeric characters here. So it could be that this will be most likely closer to being done around the 5th or the 12th, but we'll have to see. What we do know is, thanks to WWDC being a couple of weeks away from when this would possibly finish, I would assume for everybody, including developers, to be on the same release of 18.5 around the 12th, 19th, and 26th, and possibly the first week in June, before June 9th when we get iOS 19 that will roll out. Also, I do want to say Beta 2 was pretty terrible as far as battery life went. It has not been the best, especially on our Apple Watch for 11.5 Beta 2. But as far as everything else works, if you kind of jump around to stocks like we like to do and just kind of jump in to different articles, everything is functioning pretty well. Hopefully, again, Beta 3 will bring better battery life back, as Beta 2, like I said, was terrible. But historically, again, Beta 2, 3, and really up until the final beta release, they have a drop-off in battery life. One thing, again, that I just do want to point out that hopefully at this point we will get an iOS 19, because it's still not here, is that rumored battery intelligence feature, letting us know how long is left before a phone is fully charged. That is still not here or present in 18.5, so we'll have to see if iOS 19 is going to bring that at this point. Right now, we obviously still don't know. Aside from new features and all that, we know this is not going to be loaded with anything new. There are some UI tweaks, but aside from that, this is, again, mostly surrounding what is on backend improvements and stability improvements. We haven't had any issues when we've been gaming or playing Clash Royale or anything like that, so that's been nice. So if you're a big gamer and you're running a beta or thinking about joining a beta, this might be okay for you guys to do. So yeah, aside from that, quick short video for you guys today. Beta 3 is out if you're a registered developer. Nothing really new here. There is a slight modem improvement here to now it's 1.60.02, where it was just 1.60.00 in Beta 2. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Are you excited for iOS 18.5 to roll out, or are you like us ready for iOS 19? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.